How to convert Amazon shopping voucher into Gcash. So if you go ahead immediately or directly into Amazon's official website, redeem your gift card, and then just simply transferring it over directly to your Gcash wallet, it will not be doable because Amazon does not have that immediate option. So what you can do is again open up your Amazon account, and then from here just hover your mouse into accounts and list, and then go to account. Now the first step that you need to do is of course redeem the gift card. Go into gift cards, and then in here just choose on redeem a gift card, and then just simply input your unique code or number from here so that you can apply and have it visible on your Amazon voucher balance. Now, once you have done that, all you have to do next, go to the search box and just type in Google Play gift card, and then just simply choose on a specific amount depending on the balance that you have on your Amazon account. So this is the most convenient way of doing this, like Amazon gift card redemption, and then Amazon into Google Play, and then Google Play into Gcash. And that is how you convert Amazon shopping voucher to Gcash.